Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube video lag on Google Chrome. So if on some cases that your video lag, what you can do is you can head over and then try to update your own Google Chrome. You can go to a new tab and then search in here for Google Chrome update. Now once you have searched for that, you can see in here this. So you can go about and then update your Google Chrome and also click on these three dots right here. Scroll down. Under the more tools, you can see in here the performance as well as your own Chrome for the customization of it. Now the next thing you can do is you can delete the browsing history. You can go to the history options and then from in there click onto this history. Now it should be able to open this. Now in here you can click on this delete browsing data. It will direct you to your settings. Now just click your browsing history, your cache, as well as your cookies. Click on delete right here and then it should be deleted. If you want to just delete specifically the YouTube, you can search in here for your settings for the site settings. Now once you have searched for that, you can click on it. And then in here, click on this view permissions. Click onto the search and search in here for YouTube. You can find YouTube right here. You can just expand it and click on this delete option right here. And it should be able to fix your problem through this. So that's how you fix YouTube video lag on Google Chrome. Hope we helped.